So is that making sense a little bit?
Yeah, Nelson, that's great. That made a lot of sense to me. Can you actually use those methods like inline? Like if you wanted to do like line 13 console.writeLine and put it in line?
Yes, you can, Jason.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Um, yeah, the invocation of a method is returns a value, which means that you can use an invocation of a method anywhere where a value is accepted, which includes concatenation or anything else that you might want to do. So again, this program has the exact same output as it did before. The difference is that it's a bit cleaner because we're no longer aliasing out the result of this method invocation into a variable.
The cool thing is, though, is that you guys have now seen through a progression of different methods that Nelson has been using over the last 25 minutes. You guys have seen very simple methods that take in no arguments and have no return type. You've seen methods that have no return type, but they take in arguments, and you have seen methods now that take in data and return data. So this is a much simpler approach to kind of wrapping your head around how methods work and how you define them and specify if they're going to take data in and if they're going to return data back to the caller, then jumping into something a bit more crazy. Yeah, Nelson, all right. So let's move on.